Welcome on the tutorial for creating map overlays. A map overlay is a collection of defined, saved shapes. This allows you to create shapes defining neighborhoods, school districts, excluded areas, etc. These shapes are available to you when using Quick Search or Map Search in the search section of your menu, or when using various gadgets on your dashboard. You can give map overlays also to other agents in your office after you have them created. Let's go ahead and get started. First thing we're going to do is click on Preferences and then My Map Overlays. When you click on My Map Overlays, you'll come to the screen that says Welcome to Map Overlays Editor. If you want, you can read this at your own time, but I've already told you what this screen says. We're going to click on Let's Begin. Now what we're going to do is we're going to define a shape which will be part of our map overlay for the Bayview area. Okay? First thing I'm going to do is zoom and center my map so that I can see the entire area that I'm going to draw my shape in. I'm doing that by double left clicking on the map. Then I'm going to go ahead and position the map so that I can see the area that I'm going to draw my shape in. The area I'm going to draw my shape in is this area right here, because this is what I am defining as the Bayview area. The shape that you draw when drawing map overlays is the polygon tool. So I'm going to click on the polygon at the bottom toolbar on my screen. Now I'm going to single left click where I'm going to start drawing my shape. Let go of my left mouse button. Move to the bend in the road. Single left click. Let go of my left mouse button. Go to the next bend. Single left click, etc. until I get my entire shape defined. So once I have defined my shape, which I'm doing right now, remember I'm clicking, letting go of my mouse button, and clicking at every single bend in the road. When I get to my final spot, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and double left click on the map. That'll stop drawing my shape. And now my shape will appear in the right hand column that says Shapes. As you can see, when I hover my mouse on the name Polygon, it highlights that shape in yellow. Now you can have more than one shape as part of your map overlay, just so you're aware. I'm happy with this shape, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the word polygon on the right hand side. This is going to bring up a balloon that allows me to edit my polygon. I'm going to click edit. From here I can change the name. I'm going to call this Bayview. And I'm going to change my polygon to brown. Okay? If I did go ahead and notice that my shape was too small or too large, I can edit my shape by clicking on the edit shape link. If I want to remove this shape and start over, I can click the remove link. I'm done editing my shape, so I'm going to click the X in the upper right hand corner of that balloon. And now I'm going to go ahead and click save at the upper right of the screen. Now it's going to ask me to name my polygon. If I already had an existing one that I was just overwriting or editing, I would choose existing. But as you can see, I did not have any, so this is a brand new one. For the name, I'm going to call it Bayview. And then I'm going to click save. As you can see, it says save complete. So now what I'm going to do to get back to my previous map overlay screen, I'm going to click on My Map Overlays in the menu under Preferences. And now it's going to show me all the map overlays I have, which I only have one, which is Bayview. It's going to, when you left click on it, it will tell you the name, how many shapes are a part of that map overlay, the last time it was edited. If I wanted to edit this overlay, I can click on the edit button. If I want to rename it, I can click on the rename button. If I want to remove the map overlay, I can click remove. If I want to give this to someone else in my office, I can do that by clicking on give to someone. If I want to create a brand new overlay, I can just click the new button. This concludes the tutorial on creating map overlays.